Nice job.
Thank you. Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I'm back outlining again. This time I'm doing a fish's face. And when I was young, I always wanted to be able to outline like this. I used to practice and try to build up the lines with like a Sharpie or something to give it that thick and thin look. But after years and years of practice, I finally got the hang of it. And it's just like feeling where the line's going to go and kind of like projecting into the future a couple seconds to see what it's like, and to pull a line like that. And it's one of my favorite parts of doing window splashes is the outlining. This one's coming out pretty good. But yeah, this is just a quick couple-minute video. Again, I wanted to show you some of my outlining work. I've been posting a lot of videos like that lately. But yeah, it just takes a lot of practice and time. It's, you know, like muscle memory. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that little look at doing the fish. Thanks for watching me here, and click on the notification bell if you want to see more, and subscribe. See ya.